Hello students, welcome back once again to this channel, and today I want to say you all that if you have a dream, if you are willing to become successful in your life, then three things are very important to become a successful person. Number one is consistency. If you are doing hard work, if you are preparing for some examination, or if you want to become a businessman, entrepreneur, whatsoever it may be, you have to be consistent because there are challenges which you have to accept. Number second is patience. Patience is very important in every field, because I already told you there will be challenges, there will be hardships in your journey of success, in your journey of hard working. So this patience is also very much important. Number third is self confidence. If you don't, if you are not confident, if you are not confident about yourself, about your success, then I think it is impossible for you to achieve something. Self confidence is a very must. So you need to be self confident for everything, for your hard work, whether you achieve or not, but you have to be self confident. So let us start our own chapter, our own topic. What we are doing, क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स चैप्टर नंबर सेकंड आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम है पोलिनोमियल. Those who have not yet watched my previous videos of chapter number 1, please go back and watch chapter number 1. I have not only solved the questions, but while solving questions, I have their updated, that is further information. I have updated further information about how LCMs are found, about the division process. So I request everyone who have not watched chapter 1, please watch chapter 1. After that there is chapter 2, polynomial. If you will see, this word itself indicates what I am. Polynomial. Poly means many. Poly means many. Nomial. Nomial means terms. What does polynomial mean? Poly means many. Nomial means terms. So it is an expression. So it is an algebraic expression which consists of many terms. I hope you are getting my point. So we will define a polynomial. A polynomial, it is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression which consists of variables, coefficients, and constants. It is an algebraic expression which consists of variables, coefficients, and constants. After this, I will write here. It only contains the operations of addition, subtraction. It only this is very must. It only contains the operations of addition, subtraction, and and multiplication. There is no division, only addition, subtraction, multiplication. And this is also very important, and positive powers of variables. Now what we have discussed so far, poly means many, nominal means terms. So it is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression consisting of variables, coefficients, constants. Not only this much. It only contains the operations of addition. Addition means sum, subtraction, multiplication. There is no division, only these operations will be in our polynomial. And multiplication and positive powers of variable. The power should be always positive power. What does power mean? I will tell you in the further I will tell you it. A polynomial p of x, a polynomial, it's an expression. It is an expression of polynomial. A0 x raised to power n plus a1 x raised to power n minus 1 plus a2 x raised to power n minus 2 plus an. This is an expression for polynomial. What are a1, a0? What are a0, a1, a2, and what are those? These are real numbers. It may be a rational number as well as an irrational number, because a0, a1, a2, an, these are real numbers, any real number. So real numbers, these may be both rational as well as irrational, but there is no decimal. But there will be no decimal number. This is very must, because real numbers are rational plus irrational, but not any decimal numbers. And n, what is this n? This is the power. What is this n? N is the number, n is the power. What is power? Non-negative. What should be the n? It should never be negative. N should always be a positive power. So this is all about polynomial, and we will discuss it further. Now I have taken an algebraic expression, or it can be called a polynomial. These are called terms, 5x square. These are called terms, 5x square. This is first term. 2y, it is second term. This 7 is the third term. These are called terms. When there are more terms, that is why it's called polynomial. That's why it's called a polynomial. This x and y, these are called variables. X and y are called variables. X and y are called variables because their values keep on changing. What is a variable? Its values keep on changing. You will put here x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Its value keeps on changing. That is why it's called a variable. What is this 5 and this 2 called? What is this 5 and 2 called? This 5 is multiplied with a variable. This 2 is also multiplied with a variable. All the real numbers which are multiplied with a variable are called coefficients. क्या कहा मैंने? All those real numbers which are multiplied with variables are called coefficients. Here it is a 5, it is multiplied with x square. The coefficient of x square is 5. If you will see this 2y, 2 is multiplied with y. The coefficient of y is 2. So 5 and 2 is called coefficient. What is this 2 called? It is a power. It is a power or exponent. Exponent or power. This 2 is called exponent or a power. What is this 7? I cannot tell this 7. It is a variable. It is a coefficient. Why? I have already told all the real numbers which are in multiple with variables. Here is no variable multiplied, so it's a constant. This 7 is constant. This 7 is constant. I hope you are getting my points. These are called terms. These are called terms. 5x square, it is first term. Second term, 2y. Third term, 7. These here, in this expression, there are 3 terms. Let us further discuss it. Exponent or power of all variables should be a whole number. What is exponent? It is a power. It should be a whole number, either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If there is any negative number, there should be no negative number. It should be always a whole number. It should always be a whole number. 3, 2, 1, 0. The degree of 2 here is 0. What is the degree of 2? 0. These are called terms. Term 1. These are called terms. Term second. Term third. Term fourth. I hope you are getting me. The highest power here is 3. The highest power here is 3. It should always be a whole number. It should always be a second. It should always be positive integer. It should always be a positive integer. If there is 3x raised by minus 3, it is wrong. It is not a polynomial then. At least it should be a whole number. What? This exponent should be a whole number, or this exponent should be always a positive integer. For example, 3x raised power minus 2. Is this a polynomial? No. It is not a polynomial. 3x raised power 8 by 4. Is this a polynomial? First of all, this is very important. First of all, we have to see its power should become whole number. अगर इसका power 8 को 4 से पहले डिवाइड करना है, अगर इसका पावर फिर इस फॉर्म में आया 3, 2, 1, 0 होल नंबर फॉर्म में आया, देन दिस इज अ पोलिनोमियल. अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे 4 1 are 4 2 are, तो यहां क्या बच गया 2, वो क्या बन गया 3x square is equal to yes. 3 divided by 2, x raised power 3. Is this a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. क्यों? मैंने क्या कहा है? Power should always either positive या whole number. ये positive भी है और whole number भी है. ये जो ये है, this is always, मैंने पहले ही बताया है, इसके साथ जो भी होता है वो रियल नंबर होना चाहिए, रेशनल और इरेशनल नंबर जो भी होगा इसके साथ, वेरिएबल के साथ जो भी होगा, या तो वो रेशनल होना चाहिए या तो इरेशनल. ये रेशनल नंबर है, 3 divided by this is रेशनल नंबर, it means this is yes. Yes, it is a polynomial. अगर मैं इस तरह से लिखूं √3x cube, is this a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. We don't have to look at this. We have to look at this whether it is a whole number. Yes, it is a whole number. And we have to see what is multiplied by this variable. What is multiplied with this variable? Under root 3. Under root 3 is an irrational number. मैंने क्या कहा है? All rational और irrational numbers होने चाहिए इसके साथ. या तो rational number या तो irrational number. बस उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. फ्रैक्शन नहीं, डेसिमल नहीं. फ्रैक्शन हो सकती है लेकिन डेसिमल नंबर नहीं आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. x raised power 3. yes. लेकिन अगर इस तरह से होगा, अगर इस तरह से होगा, इज दिस ए पोलिनोमियल? नो, दिस इज नॉट ए पोलिनोमियल. क्यों? इसका पावर क्या है? हमें इसका पावर देखना है. हमें इस अंडर रूट एक्स का पावर देखना है. अगर हम इसको रूट खत्म करेंगे वो इस तरह से बन जाएगा एक्स रेज पावर 1/2. मैंने इसका रूट खत्म किया, रूट एक्स का, तो वो क्या बन गया? 1/2. एक्स रेज पावर 1/2 हो गया. वो क्या बनेगा? अब मैं इन दोनों को डिवाइड करूंगा. अगर वो जिस तरह से मैंने यहां किया 8/4, वो क्या आया 2. अगर मैं इन दोनों को डिवाइड करूंगा, इस पावर्स को, अगर वो होल नंबर की फॉर्म में आया, देन दिस इज अ पोलिनोमियल. x raised to 1/2 is equal to 0.5. 0.5 is not a whole number, then it is no. I hope you are getting my point. In case there is any doubt, don't forget to mention in the comment box so that I will repeat this once again. Now let us discuss the types of polynomial. The types of polynomial. Number first is monomial. Mono means one. Mono means one. What is mono? One. It is an expression which consists of only one term. मैंने आपको भी बताया, these are called terms. These are called terms. How many terms are in this expression? First term, second term, third term. There are 3 terms. Same is the case with this monomial, which consists of only one term. Only one term. For example, 2x square. This is only one term. अगर इसके साथ एक और होता देन बन गया 2. ये एक ही है. 5x, मैं यहां पे 3 भी लिख सकता हूं. This is also a monomial. Only single term. मैंने यहां भी आपको बताया, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म. इसको भी हम इंक्लूड करते हैं टर्म्स में. 3 भी आएगा. क्यों? इसकी भी डिग्री है, वो मैं आगे डिस्कस करूंगा. इसकी डिग्री क्या है? 0. इसलिए ये मोनोमियल है. अगर मैं ये लूंगा बाइनोमियल. बाइनोमियल मीन्स 2, जिसके 2 टर्म्स हो. 2 टर्म्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जिसकी 2 टर्म्स हो. कोई भी एग्जाम्पल लीजिए, 2x, लेकिन एट लीस्ट वेरिएबल एक तो आना चाहिए डेफिनेटली उसमें. ऐसा नहीं कि आप ऐसे भी 2 + 3, नहीं, कम से कम एक वेरिएबल होना चाहिए. 2x + 3. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म. मैं यहां पे व्हाट इज ट्राइनोमियल, आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो जिसमें 3 टर्म्स हो. 3x² + 2x + 4. First term, second term, third term. There are 3 terms. Trinomial वो expression है which consists of 3 terms. So आज के लिए हम इतना ही रखते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. और आप जरूर मेंशन कीजिए कमेंट बॉक्स में आपको कैसा लग रहा है, जो मैं भी आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ कैसा लग रहा है आपको. आप जरूर बताइए कमेंट बॉक्स में. उसको साथ साथ लाइक भी कीजिए, शेयर भी कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए. दीजिए इजाजत नए वीडियोस तक.